on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today gonna be kind of going over a little bit of installing long tubes on the truck. Now I've got the video of installing them. If you can see them up in there, they're doing really good. The only complaint I have with the whole kit is just the little clamps they send in. They're those ones that just kind of, you can see them under there, they're just those ones, and I mean, they do the job, like they hold the thing together, but I'm just not a big fan of those, so I will be swapping those out. But that is my only complaint about this kit. But I kind of want to address a question that always comes up a lot, and that is, can you install long tube headers without a tune? Now, I don't have a custom tune for long tube headers. I do have the stock tunes that the Diablo tuners have, but that's just to optimize the stock running capabilities of, the truck. I don't even think the tune I have in there is like optimized for like cold air intake or anything. It's just kind of messes with your fueling tables and everything like that to make the stock configuration run better, have a little bit more power. Just kind of opens that up a little bit. So I've been running this thing for a minute with no custom tune for the long tube headers. So I'm just kind of want to touch upon that today, and I'll explain that all in this video. But first, this thing is disgusting, so I'm gonna wash this thing up, and then we'll get to if you can install these without a custom tune or not. So let's go. All right, guys, so truck looks a whole lot better. It's a lot cleaner, and happy with that. So back to what this video is mainly about. So when I installed these long tube headers, which if you haven't seen that video, I will leave that in the description below. You guys can click on that and go check it out. Super easy install. But I didn't get a tune or anything. I wanted to kind of drive it around for a minute and see how it did with no tune. So as you can see, there they are down there. And that one right there. Now, first thing, you are gonna have to get some of the boots. Any kind of boots will do. I'll leave the ones that I bought in the description below, so you guys can go check those out. They're super cheap, and they're super easy to put on. You just slip them over the plug and then plug it onto the spark plug. So you will need a couple of those, because a couple of my wires were touching. Now you can actually either get the boots or the ceramic ones with the ceramic ends. Those are a little bit more, but I mean, they're pretty cool and they worked real good too. But I just went and got those. But anyways, the truck runs okay. So to answer the question about if you can install these without a tune, yes and no. So yes, you can install them, get you down the road, do whatever you need to do. It will run. It just doesn't run the best. So anything over 1500 RPM, it's fine. I'm sure it's probably not like where it really wants to be, but at least in my experience and on this truck, it seems like anything under 1500 RPM, it's not real sure where it needs to be air fuel mixture wise. So I think the O2s are trying to swap it up at those low RPMs, but they don't really know where they want to be. So it'll kind of hesitate, miss, almost feels like it's got like a dead coil or a dead plug, but that's not what it is. So especially if you're like cruising below 1500 RPM, it'll kind of jerk and like putt and sputter. But you get it over 1500, it does fine. It revs fine. It idles a little funny sometimes, but also I think that's just below 1500, doesn't really know where it wants to be. So if you guys are thinking about putting in long tube headers, definitely do it. I will leave a link to these in the description below. And also, don't be afraid. If you can't afford a tune right now, you can install these, get you down the road. It'll just run a little goofy until you can actually get a tune, and then it'll be running perfect. Now, do I think it'll do any damage? I don't really think so. Now, I mean, if you're like professionally racing these things, like if you get one, you want to put these on, and then you're gonna take it to the track, do like drags and stuff like that, I don't know, you might want to get a tune, doing the high RPM stuff all the time. But for just doing what I do, I don't really beat on this thing too much. I just kind of drive around town. I don't even really drive it to work all that much anymore. So definitely for that kind of stuff, I think it'll be perfect. You can probably drive it for the rest of its life without one, but I'm gonna eventually get a tune through Diablo. I'm gonna try to get a hold of them and have them make a custom tune for me, only because, again, it just runs a little bit goofy and I'm just not a big fan of it. I like my stuff to run like normal, like it's supposed to, and you know, all that good stuff. So definitely don't let this hinder you from getting it. Say if you can't afford a tune but you have enough for the long tubes, that's kind of the way I have to do it. I can't afford to buy everything all at once, so I buy it all kind of in stages, and then if it's something that has to be put on all together, then I'll just buy it in stages and put it on when I get all of it. But something like this, you can buy these, throw them on, wait for a minute, get the tune, and you'll be good to go. So again, just kind of wanted to touch up on this video of if you needed a tune with long tubes, which, long story short, technically yes, but you don't really need it. Like, your truck's not going to blow up if you install these and you know you don't have a tune. I would take you guys on a drive, but you really can't tell. I had the GoPro on my head and took it for a drive, but like I would feel it stutter, but it doesn't translate on camera, and you can't really hear it because there's really no drone in the truck. And then when you're driving down the road, all you hear is wind noise if I try to get you guys outside to hear it. So just kind of take my word for it. If anybody has installed long tube headers, and I'm sure you guys know how it is. So again, that's just the gist of what this video is. You don't absolutely need a tune to install long tube headers, so just keep that in mind when you guys are shopping around wanting to do this stuff to your truck. Now, these trucks are, I'm gonna speak on this because I've seen it. Now, say like the Mustang, not real sure. I've heard people say that the O2 sensors on those can completely make up for long tube headers, but I'm not sure. So like on a Mustang or something like that, I'm sure the Tahoe would be fine. It's basically the same thing as the truck, but on something like that might be a little different. But again, I'm just kind of speaking on the truck and these trucks in general. So like 5.3, 6.0, and like 4.8, stuff like that. So I hope this video was helpful. I know I've seen this question a lot. Again, like I said, just kind of wanted to touch up on that stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hoped it kind of answered some of your guys' questions. If you have any more questions about this maybe that I didn't cover and you want to know, leave a comment down below. I'll answer to the best of my ability. And if you guys see anything on the truck that you like or want, leave a comment down below and I will try to tell you guys, you know, what's what. And most of this stuff is on my Amazon storefront. I'll leave that down in the description below as well. You can get on there, look through everything I've gotten for the truck, at least off Amazon. Some of the stuff isn't off Amazon, but again, just leave a comment down below. I'll let you guys know what's what. And most of this stuff I have links to, so I'll leave a link if you guys want anything like that. So that's gonna wrap this video up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you guys liked this video, if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button if you guys like the content I'm putting out and want to see more. Go check out some of my other videos. Again, leave a comment down below if you have any comments, questions, concerns about this video. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.